Good evening. Welcome to the Celebration of Humankindness. I'm Delane Thiel, and I have the privilege of serving as Vice President for our 5 St. Joseph Health Foundations in Kentucky. While our foundations have supported each of our community hospitals, tonight's event for St. Joseph Hospital Foundation is specifically focused on our oncology programs and services. We're proud of the work that we've done with our oncology service line leaders over the past several years. Meeting regularly, we have been able to learn more about our patient needs to better uncover opportunities for funding. One recent initiative was the consolidation of the Cancer Care Center at Blazer Parkway in Lexington. By bringing our medical oncology resources to one space, we were able to make an immediate impact on communication and efficiencies. This area now is positioned for growth and future investments, which is why we're here tonight, and we appreciate your support.
St. Joseph Hospital Foundation has been a blessing throughout the 12 years that I've practiced at St. Joseph Health, but especially in our recent transition and consolidation of services at the Blazer campus. In our next phase, we're hoping to consolidate radiation services and enhance the patient experience. In the midst of chaos and lots of uncertainty, patients come to us, and offering a healing environment that's quiet and filled with art is just such a relief. I hear daily from patients about the upgrades and the art that they enjoy while they get their treatments, and it really is a comfort to them. As we look to improve our facilities more in this next phase, we want to make the Cancer Center more accessible. In inclement weather, patients often have to hurry in from the car with mobility issues, and an awning and some additional support upon entry would be a great blessing. We also hope to improve the radiation space and make it as healing and beautiful as the medical oncology space.
I was a patient of Dr. Crowley's before becoming a navigator. So I have a personal investment in the clinic, intimate understanding of how a patient feels when they walk into our space. Hearing the diagnosis of cancer is scary. Hearing you have to receive chemotherapy can be overwhelming. And this new suite has given us the space to allow our patients to be comfortable in a private chemo education room where they can sit with their family and friends and hear about their treatment plan. As well as giving us more space, it made it easier for our patients to get from one area of the clinic to another in infusion. So combining these two areas is convenient for the patient and staff, having our providers right next door. It's a beautiful space, and anything that makes this time in our patients' lives easier is a blessing.
I'm Nick Burnett. I'm a radiation oncologist, and I wanted to thank you for your support of our cancer program. With your support, we should be able to significantly improve our efficiencies and expand our clinical capabilities at our Blazer Parkway location. I deeply appreciate everything that you're able to do.
Along with the capital funding, we have grown our oncology program funding with a blend of grants and philanthropy. Our signature outreach program, Yes Ma'am, will reach its 10th year celebration in 2025.
I've worked with CHI St. Joseph for the last 9 years. I was a medical oncology manager and then have recently transitioned over to the director at the Breast Center. I'm also a 3-year cancer survivor. So our Yes Ma'am program is actually a program that is designed to help patients who are underinsured or uninsured get the screening care that they need, and having those screening needs without having to worry about any kind of payment. One of the more recent improvements that we've made to the Breast Center with the help of the foundation is what's called a Savvy Scout. The Savvy Scout is a device that helps the breast surgeon in the OR to do lumpectomies without having to have a wire. This is better for patient care, better for the surgeon in general, and it's a really exciting new thing that we have and we offer here at St. Joseph.
With unfortunate rates of cancer in Kentucky, there is no shortage of need for better health outcomes. This ultimately requires more resources. The goal for all of our foundations is to align these needs with community support. The mission of our organization is to provide excellent and compassionate care regardless of socioeconomic circumstances. This is what I believe differentiates our ministry. There is more that we can do for improving our cancer center in Lexington. We will continue our partnership with LexArts and the Arts and Health Alliance of Central Kentucky to add visual and other artistic elements for this purpose. There is more that we can do to improve the Cancer Care Center in Lexington. So we appreciate your support and participation this evening in our auction or donation of a Mission Moment gift.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Nolan, and I'm the president of Flagey Memorial Hospital and the interim president for St. Joseph East. I am so very grateful for the support of our foundation. Whether there's a programmatic need, a need for new technology or equipment within our facilities, our foundation is always there to support us. I think about the Bardstown Cancer Center, the flagship that we now have, and the expansion. We could not have done that without the support of our foundation. And now here we are doing it again for our Lexington Cancer Center. So very excited about the future investments at St. Joseph East, not just at the Cancer Center, but also at our Women's Hospital. You know, the foundation team is an extension of the hospital team, and we're so very blessed to have them. Not only do they support us financially, but they help connect us to grants, both federal and state grants, that we wouldn't know about otherwise. Not only is the support of the foundation for our patients, but also for our staff through educational scholarships, through our Human Kindness Havens that have items for staff that might have an emergent need, as well as emergency funding for staff that are going through tough times. Our foundation really does differentiate us from other health systems, and we're so blessed to have them.
Thank you for sharing your human kindness.
Thank you for sharing your human kindness.
And thank you for sharing your human kindness.
Thank you for sharing your gifts of human kindness.
Thank you for sharing your human kindness.
Thank you for sharing your human kindness. Have a great evening.